Today we are going to make yogurt cream cake. For that, take a big bowl and add 400 grams of plain yogurt. Whisk it with the help of a fork until it gets smooth. Then add 300 grams of icing sugar. If you don't have icing sugar, you can use just plain granular sugar, but before adding into the yogurt you have to grind it well to make it a powder and then add into the yogurt. Now I'm going to make gelatin paste. For that I have taken 3 teaspoons of gelatin powder in a cup. Now warm half cup of water in a saucepan and use some of the water from the saucepan to make a thick paste. After that we will boil the rest of the water in the saucepan and we will add the gelatin paste into the same half cup of water. We will keep it aside after mixing it well, just to come to room temperature. Then in a small bowl we will take 200 ml of cream and we will again whisk it. Now add the gelatin water mixture into the yogurt and icing sugar mixture and mix it. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence or vanilla extract. Now add the cream and mix all the things very well with the help of a yogurt, with the help of a fork, until they make a smooth paste or a mixture. Now take 300 grams of broken pineapple slices and mix half of the slices into the mixture of yogurt and cream mixture and mix them well, and save half of the broken slices or pineapple slices for the garnishing purpose.